Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through the structure which is ongoing. So we are doing the cabling of fire alarm system, electrical, and also doing the partition of rooms, offices. So join me as I take you through. Hope you will enjoy the full video. Watch until the end guys. Please like and subscribe. So guys, I'm going to take you first to the schematic drawing. This drawing explain the details of this room, how to draw the cable, for example, the cable that are coming to this room, for alarm, AC, and electrical. So let's walk around and see how the partition were made. So guys, also I urge you to support us by subscribing to our channel, and if you have any projects concerning sorry guys, I am inside the Athens airport, so sorry for the disturbance, the sound from the aeroplane. So I was just urging you guys, if you have any project concerning the installation of fire alarm, servicing, repair, so you can reach on us through our email address, which is obtechappliances@gmail.com, or you can just call us or WhatsApp us on our number, which is 0716 77 1810. So guys, we are installing the sockets, the switches for lighting, everything guys. So, and this work we do according to the direction from the client. We do as per client require. So we see it, we agree how you want your rooms to look or offices to look, how you want the sockets to look. It's what we do as you want guys. So this is a big structure guys with 11 floor. So we are trying to push it and finish according to the timeline we agreed with the client. So this is just we are at the middle of the work. So I'm taking you through, but also I will take you through when we are done with everything. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscription button. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Subscribe and turn on notification bell. Notification bell helps you even if you are offline. Once you turn on your data, you will get notified when I upload videos, and it is free guys. No charges, nothing will be charged. So thank you guys.
Salamiani kwa ndugu zangu.